Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is outdoor gas fire pit square dark brown wicker fire pit table propane fire table with glass rocks. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞. Outdoor rectangle gas fire pit. Dark brown wicker body. Steel frame. Durable steel tabletop. ETL approved. 40,000 BTU. Stainless steel burner. Glass rocks. Metal cover lid. Waterproof rain cover. With gas regulator and gas hose. Pulse igniter. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.